J-O-B, just over broke. It's an often touted idea that you really didn't ought to have a job. It's much, much better to have a business. But what if you can't live off your wages that you're getting from your business? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what number of sales you will need to make per day so that you can live a great life here in Australia from your Amazon or e-commerce business. Now, if you like this kind of content, be sure to subscribe to this channel and also give this video a little thumbs up. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm if you do that, and it would really mean the world to me. And if you want to find out more about becoming an e-commerce entrepreneur, think about getting yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au, and I can go much deeper and show you everything involved with getting yourself up and running and making money. Next. All right. Holly Lake has asked me. Question for you guys as well. So you chip in here, okay? Holly Lake has asked me, Neil, can you live off your earnings from Amazon? Can you live off your earnings from Amazon? So the answer to this, of course, is it will depend what your week-to-week requirements are as far as money. I know with certainty that the amount of income I spend per week will be different to everybody else. Just like, you know, my mum would have a different amount of income that she requires per week to live, and my sister would have a different amount as well, okay? So it really depends on what you think of. What is that number, what you think of? However, let's put it into some context for you. The median income in Australia across the board, the median across the board income per week in Australia is $1,110. Median income across the board, everybody that's employed, okay? Which is approximately $60,000. It's actually just a little bit less than that. It's 57,000 and change, okay? But just under $60,000, okay? So let's take a look what that actually means. If you include superannuation in that at 9.5%, which you absolutely should, and if you include that you're a regular taxpayer in Australia, so not a non-resident or on a working holiday visa, you're just a regular taxpayer in Australia. Here's how that breaks down for you. It breaks down to a weekly take-home income of $873. $873, okay? So let's do some maths and work out what exactly would happen, or needs to happen, should I say, so that that can be covered with your Amazon business. So what do we get here? We got 873 per week, okay? So 873 per week. Let's start with some quick assumptions. Product sales on Amazon, our product sells on Amazon, RRP for $40. For $40. You tell me, what is our profit margin gonna be on a $40 sale on average? What's our profit margin as a percentage? What's going to be the approximate profit margin that we're going to have as a percentage out of that? What do you reckon? 25%, 30%, 30%, 35%, 30%, 25%. All right, well, let's say, just for ease, it's 25%, okay? So let's err on the side of caution. So that 25%, pretty simple. I knew you would say that, so I preferred this already. That's gonna cover 40 bucks, $10, 25%. That's the product cost, that's the unit cost of the product, and also includes the shipping cost to Amazon. Another $10, 25%, is Amazon seller fees and fulfillment fees. $10, 25%, marketing costs, which leaves you $10, 25% in net pre-tax profit, okay? So that's how that's going to work for us. Oops, I should probably show you that. There you go. $10, 25%, product cost, $10, 25%, Amazon seller fees and fulfillment fees, $10, 25%, marketing cost, leaving $10, 25%, net pre-tax profit. Okay, so that's a very simple financial breakdown. So 25% of 40 bucks is equal to $10. Okay, so now we've got those little assumptions out the way. What is $873 per week divided by 7? So we can work out what we need to make per day. Anybody got their calculators handy? 873 divided by 7. What have we got? About 120, 124. Thank you for that. 124. So we need to make, to meet the median income in Australia, take-home pay, we need to do $124 per day, okay? So given our product profit is $10, so we need to do 12 sales per day to give us average Aussie income. Simple as that. And so the question is, can you sell $12 products per day in Australia? Yes, absolutely you can, without a shadow of a doubt. So yes is the answer to this question. You can live very, very comfortably, actually, off your earnings from Amazon, Holly. Absolutely. Now, is that going to happen tomorrow for you if you just start today? No, of course it's not going to happen tomorrow. You have to build your business, just like all businesses, But the good thing about an Amazon business, unlike a job, is you can actually double that to 24 sales per day by doing the right things in your business versus trying to double the salary you get in your job, which is very, very difficult to do. Very, very difficult to do. Hope that helps. Good question. I like it. That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session where all of the Aussie online entrepreneurs, over 2,000 of us now, get together and they get to ask me questions about anything at all, and then I just answer them for them. And if you would like to find out more about becoming an Aussie online entrepreneur, joining over 2,500 people right here in Australia with sales of over $50 million on Amazon in Australia, then get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. Thanks for watching. Bye.